हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस न्यू वीडियो में। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मुगल डायनेस्टी से पूछे गए टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस जो कि फ्रिक्वेंटली पूछेंगे एसएससी, रेलवे एंड बैंक एंड स्टेट पीसीएस एग्जाम्स में। एंड दिस इज ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट मी। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। Who was the founder of Mughal Empire? The answer is Babur. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat 1526, established the Mughal Empire. He was descendant of Temur from father side and Genghis Khan from mother side. Next question. In which year was the first battle of Panipat fought? The answer is 1526. The first battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Babur used gunpowder artillery for first time in India. Next question. Which battle confirmed Babur's rule in India? The answer is Battle of Khanwa. Battle of Khanwa was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga. Babur won, securing his rule in North India. Next question. Who was the What was the autography written by Babur? The answer is Baburnama. Babur wrote Baburnama in Chagatai Turkish, which was later translated into Persian by Abdul Rahim Khane Khana. Next question. Who defeated Humayun in Battle of Chausa 1539? The answer is Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun in Battle of Chausa, forcing Humayun to flee to Persia. Next question. What was the main reason for Humayun's defeat against Sher Shah Suri? The answer is all of the above. Weak army, lack of strategy, betrayal of brothers. Humayun lost due to poor military planning, betrayal by his brothers, Sher Shah Suri's superior strategy. Next question. Where did Humayun take refuge later after losing to Sher Shah Suri? The answer is Persia. Humayun lived in exile in Persia, Iran for 15 years under the Safavid ruler Shah Temsap. When did Humayun recapture Delhi? The answer is 1555. With the help of Persian forces, Humayun defeated Islam Shah Suri, Sher Shah's successor, and recaptured Delhi in 1555. Next question. How did Humayun die? The answer is fell from stairs. Humayun fell from stairs of Sher Mandal Library, Delhi in 1556 and died. Next question. Which battle ensured Akbar's control over Delhi? The answer is Second Battle of Panipat. The Second Battle of Panipat 1556 was fought between Akbar and Hemu, a capable general of Adil Shah Suri. Although Hemu had temporarily captured Delhi, he was defeated by Behram Khan, who led Akbar's army. Next question. Which policy did Akbar introduce to promote religious harmony? The answer is Suhel-e-Kul. Suhel-e-Kul means universal peace and was a secular policy that granted equal respect to all religions. Akbar abolished the jizya tax on non-Muslims, invited scholars of different faiths to his Ibadat Khana, house of worship, Fatehpur Sikri, and married Rajput princess to strengthen Hindu-Muslim unity. Next question. What was Din-e-Ilahi? A new religion. Deen-e-Ilahi was introduced by Akbar as a syncretic faith that combined aspects Hinduism, Islam, Jainism, Christianity, and however it remained a personal belief system rather than a mass movement with only a few followers like Birbal. Next question. What was the significance of Battle of Haldighati 1576? Answer is battle between Akbar and Maharana Pratap. The Battle of Haldighati was fought between Akbar forces led by Mansingh I of Amer and Maharana Pratap of Mewar. Although Pratap lost the battle, he continued guerrilla warfare against the Mughals. His horse Chetak became legendary for his bravery. अकबर ने नई राजधानी कहाँ बनाई जिसे बाद में छोड़ दिया गया? द आंसर इज फतेहपुर सीकरी. Akbar built Fatehpur Sikri as his capital but abandoned in 1585 due to water shortage and strategic reasons. The city is famous for Structure like Buland Darwaja, Panch Mahal, Jodhabai's Palace. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, निम्नलिखित में से कौन अकबर के नौरत्नों में शामिल नहीं था? तो ये नौरत्नों के नाम बिल्कुल एक बार टिप्स होनी चाहिए आपकी, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। तो आंसर इज बैराम खान। बैराम खान नौरत्नों में से नहीं था। बीरबल भी थे, तानसेन जी भी थे, राजा मानसिंह भी थे। और उसके अलावा कौन कौन थे? अकबर नौरत्न, बीरबल थे, वो एडवाइज़र थे, तानसेन थे, म्यूजिशियन थे, टोडरमल थे, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे, अब्दुल फजल थे, हिस्टोरियन थे, फैजी थे, पोइट थे, राजा मान सिंह थे, जनरल थे, अब्दुल रहीम खाने खाना थे, वो पोइट थे, फ़कीर राजुद्दीन ये स्पिरिचुअल एडवाइज़र थे, एंड मौलादो प्याजा एविटेंट ह्यूमर के लिए थे। बैराम खान वाज अकबर्स regent but not a part of Navratan. I think he died or something, he exiled I think in around 1560 or something. Next question, अकबरनामा और आईने अकबरी किसने लिखा? द आंसर इज अबुल फैजल। अकबरनामा इज a 3-volume biography of Akbar. आईने अकबरी describe his administration, army, economy. Both were written by Abul Fazl, Akbar's poet, court historian. किस मुगल सम्राट ने पहली बार सती प्रथा पर प्रतिबंध लगाया था? द आंसर इज अकबर। अकबर डिस्करेज सती widow of self-immolation and made it illegal without the widow's consent. He also promoted widow's remarriage and stopped child marriage. However, later Mughal rulers did not strictly enforce these laws. बुलंद दरवाज़ा किसने बनाया था? द आंसर इज अकबर। अकबर built बुलंद दरवाज़ा in 1575 in Fatehpur Sikri to celebrate his victory over Gujarat. It is the highest gateway in India, 54 meter high, and has an inscription emphasizing religious tolerance. अकबर ने धार्मिक चर्चाओं के लिए कौन सा विभाग स्थापित किया था? द आंसर इज इबादत खाना। इबादत खाना हाउस ऑफ वर्शिप वाज बिल्ट इन फतेहपुर सीकरी in 1575, where Akbar invited scholars from Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Jainism for religious discussion. It later influenced the formation of Deen-e-Ilahi. What was the official name of Akbar's revenue system? The answer is Dhaisala system. Dhaisala system, introduced in 1580, was a part of Japti system where land revenue was fixed based on average produce of the last 10 years. It was devised by Raja Todermal and ensured stable taxation and record keeping. Next question, under which Mughal empire was the Mansabdari system introduced? The answer is Akbar. Mansabdari system was introduced by Akbar to organize the military and administration. Each officer was assigned a Mansab rank which determined his salary, number of soldiers he must maintain. The system ensured loyalty and efficiency in Mughal army. Next question, when did Akbar die? The answer is 1605. Akbar died on October 27, 1605 due to dysentery. He was buried at Sikandra, Agra in a magnificent tomb. His successor was his son Jahangir, who continued many of Akbar's policies. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, किस मुगल शासक ने न्याय की जंजीर स्थापित की थी? द आंसर इज जहांगीर। जहांगीर इंस्टॉल्ड ए गोल्डन चेन विथ बेल्स एट आगरा फॉर टू इंश्योर डायरेक्ट एक्सेस टू जस्टिस फॉर कॉमन पीपल. हु कैप्चर्ड जहांगीर एज ए प्रिजनर इन 1626? महाबत खान. महाबत खान, ए मुगल जनरल, revolted against Jahangir and imprisoned him briefly in 1626, but he was later freed by Noor Jahan. जहांगीर के दरबार में कौन सा यूरोपीय यात्री आया था? द आंसर इज थॉमस रो. सर थॉमस रो, एम्बेसडर ऑफ किंग जेम्स फर्स्ट ऑफ इंग्लैंड, visited Jahangir's court in 1615 to secure trade right for British East India Company. Next question, जहांगीर को किस कला में रुचि थी? आंसर इज पेंटिंग. जहांगीर was a great patron of Mughal miniature painting and encouraged realism, portrait painting and nature themes in art. Next question, which Sikh guru was executed during Jahangir's rule? The answer is Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Arjun Dev was executed in 1606 on Jahangir's order for supporting Prince Khusru. His execution led to militarization of Sikh community. जहांगीर ने कौन सा सिक्का चलाया था? द आंसर इज ज्योतिषीय सिक्का, जोडई कॉइन. Jahangir issued Jodai coins with astrological symbols instead of Islamic inscription, which were later discontinued by Shahjahan. Shahjahan का वास्तविक नाम क्या था? The answer is Khurram. Shahjahan's real name was Shahab-ud-Din Muhammad Khurram. He was the third son of Jahangir and was given the title of Shahjahan, King of the World, upon ascending the throne in 1628. Which Mughal emperor is known as a Prince of Builders? Answer is Shahjahan. Shahjahan was called the Prince of Builders due to his contribution to architecture. He built Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Jama Masjid and Shalimar Gardens. Next question. Which city was founded by Shahjahan? The answer is Shahjahanabad. In 1639, Shahjahan established Shahjahanabad, which later became Old Delhi. The city included structures like Red Fort and Jama Masjid. Next question. Which fort was built by Shahjahan in Delhi? The answer is Red Fort. The Red Fort, Lal Killa, was built by Shahjahan in 1648 in Delhi. It served as a Mughal capital, remains an ionic symbol of India. जो दिल्ली में लाल किला है वो शाहजहां ने बनाया था, और जो आगरा में लाल किला है वो बनाया था अकबर ने. ये ध्यान रखिएगा थोड़ा. 33 क्वेश्चन. Who imprisoned Shahjahan in his later years? The answer is his son Aurangzeb. In 1658, Shahjahan was imprisoned in Agra fort by his son Aurangzeb. After a war of succession, he remained there till his death in 1666. Next question. शाहजहां द्वारा निर्मित तख्ते हाउस का मूल नाम क्या था? द आंसर इज तख्ते हाउस. तख्त-ए-ताउस. Explanation. The peacock throne Takht-e-Taus was built in 1634 with gold, precious stones and peacock-shaped design. Nadir Shah later looted in 1739 and took it to Persia. Where did Shahjahan shift the Mughal capital from Agra? The answer is Delhi. Shahjahan shifted the Mughal capital from Agra to Delhi in 1638 and established Shahjahanabad, now Old Delhi, where he built the Red Fort. Who was the chief architect of the Taj Mahal? The answer is Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Ustad Ahmad Lahori was the chief architect of Taj Mahal, completed in 1653. He was also involved in designing the Red Fort. Which European traveler visited Shahjahan court? Answer is all of the above. Nicolas Manucci, Tavernier Bernier, Nicolas Manucci visited Shahjahan's court and described Mughal wealth, trade and society in their accounts. Next question. औरंगजेब ने किस भाई को हराने के बाद सिंहासन प्राप्त किया था? आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. दारा सिको, मुर्शद बख्श एंड शुजा, इन सभी को हरा के औरंगजेब ने सिंहासन प्राप्त किया था. द औरंगजेब फाउट ए वॉर ऑफ सक्सेशन अगेंस्ट हिज ब्रदर दारा सिको, मुर्शद बख्श एंड शुजा बिटवीन 1657 to 1659. He defeated Dara at the Battle of Samogod in 1658 and later executed him. What title did Aurangzeb adopt after becoming emperor? The answer is Alamgir. Aurangzeb took the title of Alamgir, which means conqueror of the world. He was also known for his strict Islamic policy and expansionist rule. औरंगजेब ने गैर मुसलमानों पर कौन सा कर पुनः लगा दिया जिसे अकबर ने समाप्त किया था? द आंसर इज जिजिया कर, जिजिया टैक्स. In 1679, Aurangzeb reimposed jizya tax on non-Muslims, which was abolished by Akbar in 1564. This created strong opposition among Hindus. Which famous Sikh Guru was executed by Aurangzeb? Answer is Guru Tegh Bahadur. In 1675, Guru Aurangzeb ordered the execution of Guru Tegh Bahadur in Delhi for opposing forced conversion of Hindus in Kashmir. औरंगजेब के शासनकाल के अंतिम वर्षों में उसकी राजधानी कहाँ थी? आंसर इज औरंगाबाद. औरंगजेब shifted his capital to Aurangabad, now in Maharashtra, in 1681 to focus on his military campaign in Deccan. Next question. औरंगजेब ने दक्कन में किस साम्राज्य के खिलाफ लंबे समय तक युद्ध लड़ा था? द आंसर इज मराठा एम्पायर. Aurangzeb waged a 27-year-long war from 1681 to 1707 against Maratha, led by Sambhaji and later Rajaram and Tarabai, but failed to fully control them. शिवाजी ने औरंगजेब के नियंत्रण में से कौन सा मुगल किला जीता था? The answer is Purandar Fort. In 1665, Shivaji captured Purandar Fort, forcing Aurangzeb to sign the Treaty of Purandar with the Marathas. औरंगजेब ने अपने शासनकाल में इनमें से किस पर प्रतिबंध लगाया था? The answer is music and dance. Aurangzeb banned music, dance and other forms of entertainment in 1668, dismissing musicians from the royal court. However, music continued in private circles. Who among the following was a major Rajput opponent of Aurangzeb? The answer is Maharaja Jaswant Singh. Maharaja Jaswant Singh of Marwar opposed Aurangzeb policies, leading to Rajput revolution around 1679 to 1681 when Aurangzeb tried to annex Marwar. किस युद्ध में मराठा नेता संभाजी को औरंगजेब ने पकड़ लिया था? द आंसर इज बैटल ऑफ संगमेश्वर. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए. संभाजी वॉज कैप्चर्ड इन 1689 एट संगमेश्वर बाय औरंगजेब्स फोर्सेस. ही वॉज ब्रूटली एग्जीक्यूटेड फॉर रिफ्यूजिंग टू कन्वर्ट टू इस्लाम. औरंगजेब के खिलाफ संघर्ष के लिए सिख खालसा की स्थापना किसने की थी? द आंसर इज गुरु गोविंद सिंह. Guru Gobind Singh founded the Khalsa in 1699 to fight against Mughal oppression under Aurangzeb. This led to intense conflicts between Sikh and Mughals. Next question. Which famous mosque was built during Aurangzeb's reign? The answer is both Badsahi Masjid Lahore and Makkah Masjid Hyderabad. Aurangzeb built Badsahi Masjid around 1673 in Lahore and Makkah Masjid 1694 in Hyderabad. These are among the largest mosques in the South Asia. What was the main reason for the decline of Mughal Empire after Aurangzeb? The answer is all of the above. Weak successors, continuous wars, financial drain. After Aurangzeb's death in 1707, weak successor, excessive military campaigns and economic trouble led to the decline of Mughal Empire. एक और क्वेश्चन देख लीजिए. Where is Aurangzeb buried? The answer is Khuldabad. Aurangzeb was buried in Khuldabad, Maharashtra, in a simple grave, following Islamic tradition, and as he wanted a modest burial. चलिए, thank you all for watching this video. आप कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम किस टॉपिक पे बनाएं. ठीक है गाइस, टेक केयर एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.